Hello everybody, welcome back to another tutorial. My name is Susana and today we are customizing a funeral thank you card. But first I will go ahead and mention the things you cannot do on this template. Not change the color of the artwork or change the size and orientation of the template. This is the front of the card, so you cannot change this right here. The flowers. Everything else on this template can be changed. Going to the back of the card, you cannot change these two flowers here or the gold shape around the picture. This is grouped, so I am going to ungroup it. You can change the black border around the picture. Just go ahead to the top left and select your color if you want to change it. I am going to group this again. So going back to the front of the card, here what you would want to do is just change this portion, change the name and date. If you want to change the background, you can do so. You can change the color of the text as well, the size, font type. And that goes for all the text. You can change the color of the cross. Make it bigger or smaller. For the back of the card, we want to replace the current picture with our own. So I am going to select the picture here, click and drag, double click to center. Click on this section. This is grouped, so you want to go to the top and click on group. Click on this section and change the name, the date, and that would be all that you would want to do on this template. Of course, you can also change the background color if you wish. You will find the front of the Spanish template below as well as the back of the Spanish template. If you have any questions on this template, please let me know. You guys have a great day.